Okay.
See, isn't that brilliant? See, people love this. This is great.
I'm gonna put a washing basin so people can wash their hands.
Daniel, yeah, you should.
On the presentation, I'll leave it like this. Without touching. This is always oscillating. No? Ah. Okay.
No. Just the hand, just the person.
Yeah, just the person.
What is it? Heat it works by?
No, it's tuned for the person. Tips on the can, I'm gonna put
You
a
can
small
try
can.
and work out your own way of using it. Is this picking me up there as well?
Yeah, but you're not, it's just, yeah, I should stop it. Yeah, I don't...
Is that doing something?
It's recording.
No, I was recording. Okay.
What?